Hi, I hope everyone is doing well. I'm here to present how do you deal with chemical spills. In order to do so, the first step is to examine the spill size. Some laboratory spills require outside assistance because of spill's size or its unusual hazards. You need to know that whether the spill is in small amount or in a copious amount. Do not downplay the seriousness of potentially hazardous spills. If the spills are life threatening, please contact the Environmental Health and Safety Office first. Please avoid direct contact with such hazardous materials by wearing personal protective equipment because they spread quickly and are easily absorbed by the skin and they may damage the tissues. The initial step that should be followed is to detect the spill and to determine the hazard class. If the spill is not corrosive and not a strong oxidizer, such spills may be considered as a simple spill. When a spilled chemical's toxicity is unknown, treat the spill like a potential human health hazard. If the spilled substance is volatile, prevent the spread of dust and vapors by increasing ventilation through fume hoods or by closing the laboratory doors. If the spilled substance is acid or base, neutralization is the best idea to deal with. Now the question arises that how to control the liquid spread. For an instance, make a dike around the outside edge of the spill as shown in the figure. Add absorbents to the spill, working from the spill's outer edge towards the center. Note that the special absorbents are required for concentrated chemicals like HF and H2SO4, which are much more hazardous. Now, what do we do for cleaning up the residue? The neutralized residue or the absorbent should be scooped and transferred to other waste container. Thing to be noted here is very essential that if the label is improper, it is a great hazard. Place cleanup waste in an appropriate hazardous waste receptacle. Last but not least, decontamination is very important. The expert might look forward to test the air in order to make sure that the area is free of contamination. Avoiding spills is very essential as the waste goes to water bodies and cause harm to aquatic life. Thank you for your patience.